Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an email sequence on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, HubSpot sequences are an automation tool which you can use to pretty much give you some extra help or automate some menial tasks, which will allow you to save time and better use it for something else. Now, to access the the sequences, you just need to go to the automations tab and go into the sequences tab right over here. And once you're here, you just need to go over and create one either from scratch or a template. Now this does require Sales Hub Professional, so if you don't have it or a stronger plan, you won't be able to access sequences, so I can't show you guys exactly how that is done. However, I'll go over through this here article and exactly show you guys how you can add a sequence for an automated email. So as I mentioned, just click create a sequence, start from scratch or select a template. Again, create sequence and click the pencil icon to rename the sequence. Once you're there, under action in the right panel, you need to select automated email and then choose the type to start a new thread or apply to an existing one, or click create template if you need a template for future use. Then you can use existing email templates from the drop down menu or use the search bar to find one. And if the automated email, once you set it up, is not the first step in the sequence, then you're going to need to click on the delay button or right next to it on the number of business days and set up how many business days after the previous step need to pass before that step is done, before the email is sent. And that is pretty much it. So yeah, it's as easy as that. You just select your automated email as your action, create a template or use an existing one by searching for it. Once you find it, just modify how many days need to pass before it's sent after the previous step, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.